Good evening and welcome to the parking garage of Disney Springs here in Orlando. We've got a reservation at the Raglan Road for something to eat, and we're meeting two very special guests. That is Debbie and Chris Goforth from the Chris Goforth channel, who you may have heard me mention quite a few times. We've never actually met in person, but we've been quite good friends for the last couple of years. Can't wait to meet them in person. Hope they're not axe murderers. I will leave a link in the description down below to Chris's YouTube channel. Couldn't think of the word there. Go check them out. They are very good, very similar content to me, but they are from America, so they have better theme parks, clearly. But first of all, we have to go through bag check and security. So I will pick you up shortly. That's us through bag check and security, in the lift. Soon to meet Chris and Debbie for the very first time. Exciting. We are currently still searching for Chris and Debbie. They're around here someplace. Can you spot them, anyone? Look who it is! We found them! Hold on. The first time we've touched! Unbelievable. How are you doing?
Good to see you.
Good.
I was like, you know, they come that way. He goes, they're right there. They're right there.
Lovely to meet you.
At last.
Wow,
At last. We were there. We've seen somebody. I went, there they are over there. And it, obviously it wasn't you. Who's that vlogging over my shoulder? It's Chris. Filming me. Hello.
Maybe sending you back out there to get the cardigans.
We set boys, girls. You notice that?
Yes,
Girls on one side, boys on the other.
What to have, what to have.
Drink first, I'm not going to drink.
Hi, how y'all doing?
Drinky time.
If you want to eat, move your foot.
What did you get, Emma?
Cheers, folks.
Cheers. Oh, spillage already, and we're not even drunk.
What is this one?
They've got a whiskey sour. Is it good?
It's blueberry mint lemonade.
Blueberry mint lemonade.
But it's got Smirnoff blueberry vodka, natural lemonade, fresh muddled mint in blueberry. The next one's going to be strawberry and cucumber.
And I've got a Magnus cider. And here we go. We've got ourselves some Irish soda bread. And then we have, yeah, and then in here we've got, it's a Guinness reduction and oil. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. This is the best part of the meal, so if you don't like this, go home. And this is my prawns, not shrimp, prawns. Prawns.
Looks like a scampi almost.
Nope, it definitely looks like king prawns in garlic butter.
It looks like shrimp scampi. Toast. And then, what's that over there?
Bang bang chicken.
Bang bang chicken. And then we got some soup.
And apparently Chris has some sausage.
Breaded sausage.
Individually put on forks because they know he's a child and he's not allowed to have knives to cut a real sausage up, so they put them on individual portions for him so he doesn't cut himself.
That's right.
Is it Ellie's got? A bang bang chicken. Now you see, Debbie is allowed a knife to eat the sausage, so she can cut hers in half. Let me have a go of a prawn. In fact, not just any prawn, Emma. These are king prawns. And they are delicious. With a lot of heat. Spicy. Hey! Hey!
Right, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the part where we're going to need everybody's help. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to do a couple steps, and I want everybody here in the audience to give me 2 claps. Does you reckon you can do that, Raglan Road? Oh, come on. We can do so much better than that. I said, can we do that, Raglan Road?
Hey!
Definitely a lot better. So 2 claps is all I need, so don't be letting me down.
Go on now. And I've got my bangers and mash. Look, Chris. Gravy. Gravy.
We call that gravy.
That white stuff you have isn't gravy.
Yes, it is.
This is gravy.
That is one kind of gravy.
Black is gravy.
And then the white stuff is country gravy.
Which country?
Oh my god, for what?
And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. No, never, no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. No, never, no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more. No, never, no more.
That's too complicated.
So there you have it. That was our night at Raglan Road in Disney Springs, and our first time meeting Chris and Debbie in person. We have been friends for a few years, like I said, and it was really good of them to fly out from San Antonio to meet us for a few nights. So tomorrow we are going to Hollywood Studios. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do your job.